Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel VOCAB Jab. So our today's word is hogwash. So what does it mean? It means complete nonsense, lies or ridiculous actions. Now let us look at few similar words that will help you understand the word hogwash better. Rubbish, crap, garbage, etc. Now let us see how can we use the word hogwash in a sentence. So here is the first example. His arguments are hogwash, which means his arguments are unproven and baseless. So let us take one more example. There are several claims made in the advertisement which is nothing but a hogwash, which means the claims made in the advertisement are not true and are made only to deceive the customers. So here's hoping that you will use the word hogwash in one of the sentences that you form today. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Thank you.